Are you ready to discover a fantastic Telegram game? Let's get started right away. Welcome aboard. In this video, I will introduce you to a Telegram game called Crazyrushherpalpha. This Telegram game is supported by Animoca Brands, which is a good reference. Therefore, this project might be a good investment for the future. When you first enter the game, you will see a screen like this. The Friends section is where you will create your invitation link to invite your friends. You can also see global players here. The Earn section is where you will find tasks. By completing these tasks, you can earn points and increase your ranking. The Rank section is where you can view your tower points. I just joined and am at the Iron level. I have earned some points by playing the game and am waiting for these points to be updated. Rankings are updated every 24 hours. There are many levels here. My goal is to reach the highest level. As for the game itself, it is quite high quality and fun. Everyone in the game is running towards you, and you are trying to escape from them. While escaping, you shoot at them, eliminating your enemies one by one. You need to keep moving constantly. After defeating your enemies in the game, don't forget to collect rewards. The longer you stay in the game, the more points you earn. There are various rewards in the game. Shoes help you run faster. The magnet helps you collect your rewards. Mines allow you to eliminate your enemies, and with the points you earn, you can upgrade your abilities. When enemies surround you, using mines can be a good option. While playing the game, you will see many features that allow you to improve your character's abilities, be unstoppable, and collect all the rewards. If you wish, you can take a short break by pressing the settings button while playing the game. I really enjoyed the game. I think this game could provide good earnings in the future. However, whether to link your wallet or not is up to you. You can visit my YouTube channel's playlist for all other bots. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.